Hey there, fellow investors. Today, I'm talking about something we all dread, a stock market crash. But here's the thing, staying calm during these times is crucial. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First off, remember the stock market is like a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. But history shows us that over the long term, it generally goes up. It's all about patience. Think about Warren Buffett. During the 2008 financial crisis, he didn't panic. Instead, he bought more stocks. Why? Because he knew that in the long run, markets recover. And guess what? They did. Now let's talk about meditation. It might sound odd, but meditation can be incredibly helpful. It helps you stay grounded and reduces stress. Try starting your day with just 5 minutes of mindfulness. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Also, focus on your long-term goals. Remember why you invested in the first place. Whether it's for retirement, your kids' education, or that dream vacation, keep your eyes on the prize. And finally, a real-life example to lift your spirits. Think about Apple. Back in the early 2000s, Apple's stock was worth just a few dollars. Many doubted it, but those who held on through the tough times are now sitting on a goldmine. So, stay calm, be patient, and remember, the market always rebounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Take care and happy investing.